Hello learners, welcome back. In this video we will discuss about distance between 2 points. We all know that distance between 2 points are found by simple formula I have written over there, but how this formula is derived. So we want to basically prove this concept in this video. For proof we have considered x-axis and Cartesian system. Here I simply mark point A on vertex x1, y1, and another vertex B, another point B whose vertex are x2, y2. Simply joining this point, I drop one perpendicular from A point to the x-axis. So at x-axis and from point B to x-axis. Why I draw perpendicular, I explain one by one. If this point is as consider C and another point is at D. So from origin to C, distance is simply x1, and from origin to along the x-axis up to distance up to point D, distance is equal to x2. Now one more perpendicular drop from A vertex to opposite side, and this point considered as a E point. Now what is our distance CD? The CD is basically equal to x2 minus x1 because total distance up to D is x2 and before C is x1. So between C to D distance is x2 minus x1. Similarly, this is equal to y1 according to Cartesian system, and this distance is equal to y2. So how much value of B to E? B to E is equal to y2 minus y1. I simply write a coordinate system and then whatever Cartesian system give distance, I simply mark on the figure. Now consider triangle A, E and B. This is a right angle triangle. If this is right angle triangle, then Pythagoras theorem can easily be applied. So by Pythagoras theorem, what we can write? By Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal to AE square plus BE square. Now put the value of AE and BE. If CD is BE, then AEE as CD is equal to x2 minus x1, then A is also is equal to x2 minus x1 because AB ACDE, because ACDE, this lower figure is a rectangle and rectangle opposite side are equal. How is the rectangle? This is perpendicular, so 90 degree, this is 90 degree, and I drop one perpendicular from A to side BD, so this is 90 degree. So simply this remaining angle will also 90 degree. All the angle are 90, so ACDE is a right angle, so rectangle, and in rectangle opposite side are equal. So A is equal to x2 minus x1. So put x2 minus x1 here and square, and BE is equal to y2 minus y1. So this is I write over there y2 minus y1 whole square. This is equal to AB square. If I want to write AB, then AB is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, and AB is simply distance between point A and B. So how we prove that how the distance formula is simply derived by Pythagoras theorem. So consider coordinate system, then according to this figure we can easily prove this distance formula between 2 points in a coordinate system. Similarly, 3D distance formula is also derived in this manner. Okay, thank you.